Good morning, anglers. This is Anglers 48 coming to you from Arroyo City, Texas. Once again here with my partner in crime, Tony. We're on his boat here. So what's in store? We got live shrimp. We're gonna get some live finger mullet shiner, and we're gonna be targeting some key spots. We'll see how it goes, and we'll get situated, guys. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe, guys. Folks, we're starting off with the gold spoon. We do have live shrimp. We were able to find live shrimp. I didn't try the gold spoon at this spot the last time I was here, so we'll try it now. I always check the drag because a lot of the times fish on. All right, got a fish on. Oi, catfish. There's a catfish right there. So we'll see if we can get into the trout and red and flounder here. Oh yes. All right, anchors. Yes, sir. Got a trout, guys. Got a trout. Wasn't quite sure what it was. Man, it's been a while. It's been a while. Yes, sir. Oh, wait. Ah, man. Right there, guys. Nice trout right there here in Arroyo City, Texas. Wait. Hang on, buddy. Hang on, buddy. 20 inches. Okay. This is like our fourth spot, guys. Hey, nice little trout. A lot of meat. Fish on. Too small. Ah. It's a little speck, guys, right there. Small. Maybe in Louisiana. Only here in Arroyo City, Texas. It's a big one. Oh my God. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. That's a trout right there. That's a trout. Oh, nice. Good job. If this is a... No! Mira, my measuring tape. My measuring tape right behind you. Que no se vaya a volar. Attaboy. No, I got a cat. Nice. That's a keeper right there, man. Let's see if it's 17. Let's see if it's the real deal. It looks like 17, man.
No, mira. Te faltó.
Ah.
All right. At least.
Nice. Way to go, my friend.
Go back.
We got a fish on over here.
Small one.
Oh, nice. Okay. Bring that one over. Yee, cool. Man. Nice, Tony. Only in? Fort Mansfield.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's
Arroyo City. Attaboy. Fish on, guys. On the spoon. Hang on, Bubba. Hang on, Bubby. Nice. Look at that, guys. Small, but feisty. Right there, guys. Only here in Arroyo City, Texas. Fellas, I was gonna ask you
yes, sir.
one of our bearings from the trailer gave out.
Right now?
Yeah. Would it be a bad deal if we park it right here so that my buddy can take care of that, or?
Yeah, I mean
he's just gonna
I don't
switch
have
it out.
any problems, yeah, like if you guys are this is not my boat ramp.
Okay.
It's county, so I don't
Yeah.
know, but I guess if it's
Just-
an emergency.
Yeah, it's a few minutes because we would hate for it to break down
Oh no. I mean, yeah,
on this little road right here.
I mean, I don't know if you guys, well, if it's really bad, I'll fix it there, but if you want, you guys a little bit flatter surface, obviously.
Yeah, I think this wouldn't be a good situation because
Right.
you know we got people coming out, right?
Yeah,
So if anything, right here.
yeah,
Yeah, just a few minutes.
There's a parking space, I guess, 2 over. I mean, if you really wanted to be out of the way or whatever, but
Yeah. I just thought I'd ask, somebody of authority here. So
well, we don't have authority over it since it's the county, so we're just doing our survey for Texas Parks and Wildlife, but because I don't have any jurisdiction, like in the sense of
Okay.
like giving permission to, but I would just say like if it's an emergency, but
No,
that's what I'm suggesting. There is a parking space.
All right, buddy.
But yeah.
What's your name?
Andres Garcia.
Andres, thank you, Andres. Appreciate it. Is it all right if I put you on YouTube?
Yeah, I guess so.
All right. Thank you. We gotta fix this bearing right here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's not looking too good. We need to take care of that. Well, anglers, that concludes today's adventure. We're heading home. That we did come into certain things we're going to be taking care of, and we're going to get this boat wash and everything. One keeper trout, and not bad. Tony, he was able to get into the trout as well. So if you guys are new, please help anglers out. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. If you like it, give it a like, please. From Arroyo City, Texas, Anglers 48 signing off.